What are the mortgage options for associate dentists? A while back, I worked with a client, an associate dentist who was ready to buy his first home. He had the deposit, he had the income, and he had the solid track record. In his head, this was supposed to be a smooth ride. But the moment we looked into mortgages, reality hit him hard. Until you looked a little closer, his income came from multiple practices spread over a few days a week. He didn't have a traditional employer, and most of what he earned came through self employment. Despite earning more than many salaried professionals, lenders didn't quite know what to make of him. And it's not just him, I've seen this again and again with associate dentists. I've seen associate dentists get declined by mainstream lenders, be told to wait another year or two for more trading history, or worse, accept a mortgage offer with poor terms simply because they didn't realize better options existed, or because the lender didn't understand their income setup. This is exactly what I believe every dentist needs to know what's possible before assuming what isn't. Some lenders genuinely understand associate dentists. Not all lenders lump dentists into a generic self-employed category. The better ones look at things like gross income, day rates, and even contracts across multiple practice. These lenders are out there. You just need to know where to look. And there are professional mortgages out there that can offer better terms. A few banks offer mortgages specifically for professionals like dentists. These often come with perks like lower deposits, more flexible underwriting, and higher borrowing limits, but they're rarely advertised on big comparison websites. This client had never even heard of these options until we spoke. And always not lost. If you're new to self-employment, you've still got options. My client had recently gone self-employed and thought he'd need to wait 2 years to qualify. That's not always the case. Some lenders will work with just 1 year's accounts or even use future income projections if your background is solid. This turned out to be a game changer for him. He moved ahead 6 months sooner than expected. And if you're operating via a limited company, you might think that only salary and dividends count, but some lenders will actually consider your retained profits within the business. That small detail could mean a much bigger mortgage approval. For this client, it meant he could finally afford in the area he'd been eyeing for months. And specialist lenders don't always look like specialist lenders. So what I mean by this is some of the most flexible dentist-friendly lenders aren't household names. They don't shout about their criteria, but they quietly approve applications that others decline. Helping this client taught me something valuable. The problem isn't income, it's the perception of the income. Associate dentists work differently, and the right lender needs to understand that from the start. If you're in that position, multiple practices, irregular income, recently self-employed, don't assume you're not mortgage ready. You might just need a different route. If you found value in this video, check out the video on the screen now. Just give it a click.